Are you looking to increase your bank balance and seeking divine assistance? It can be perplexing to manifest abundance without resorting to unconventional methods like shouting at the sky or dancing in the woods. Having explored numerous money manifestation techniques, I've identified 5 approaches that have proven most effective for me. You can employ one or all of these methods, but the crucial factor is to trust that the universe will deliver what you need at the right time. Remember, the universe responds to your beliefs, so ask for money with unwavering trust rather than doubt. Before seeking what you desire, clarity is key. Merely stating, "I want money" for no reason lacks purpose and lacks motivation for both you and the universe. Specify the amount you seek and understand the reasons behind your desire. Whether it's to settle a bill or indulge in a new purchase, your desire should be genuine. Additionally, it's beneficial to request this or something better, as the universe may have superior alternatives that you wouldn't want to miss out on. When aiming to manifest money, having faith in its possibility is crucial. Similar to other aspects of life, if you lack belief in your ability to attain something, you're unlikely to allow yourself to receive it. Overcoming strong limiting beliefs about money is essential for these methods to yield swift and effective results. Yet, if you hold the belief that money can flow into your life effortlessly, the universe will align to facilitate its manifestation because you're not impeding its arrival. One common mistake in manifesting is fixating on the specifics of how and when our desires will materialize. We often seek a detailed timeline and source of manifestation, expecting precise answers. However, the universe operates on its own schedule, and we must learn to relax and trust its timing. Instead of anxiously awaiting results, focus on enjoying the present moment while your desires unfold. Finally, it's crucial to remain calm and receptive to any opportunities that the universe presents for you to attract and receive money. Even if the universe offers your ideal job, declining it would mean forfeiting the potential income it could bring. Prepare yourself to embrace fresh concepts, connections, and opportunities that could pave the way for financial abundance. Now, let's delve into these proven methods for requesting money from the universe. Consider using a money manifestation check as a powerful method to attract money from the universe. For instance, if you need to replace a stolen car part, like I did with my catalytic converter, write yourself a check for the amount needed. Be patient, as the money may not arrive immediately. Instead, stay open to opportunities for its manifestation. Choose an amount that feels empowering and date the check as if you've already received the money or it's on its way. This technique can be effective if you trust in its outcome and release any feelings of lack. Creating physical space aligns with manifesting abundance. When seeking to attract money, start by decluttering your wallet. Remove old receipts, expired cards, and any unnecessary items. This symbolizes your readiness to receive abundance. Ensure your banking is organized too. Consider setting up a dedicated savings account for your financial goals. This action signals your intention to welcome prosperity into your life. Give money a home in your life. Visualization is a potent technique in manifesting your desires. By visualizing yourself receiving and embracing the wealth you aim to manifest, you elevate your energy and communicate your intention to the universe. This practice also reinforces to your subconscious that abundance is both significant and attainable. Dedicate a moment each day to envision yourself receiving the money you desire. Allow yourself to fully immerse in the sensation of having this wealth throughout your entire being. Embrace the idea of the universe delivering this abundance to you, igniting a sense of joy within. Consider incorporating a complementary abundance meditation into your routine. This meditation aims to elevate your energetic wealth set point, enabling you to attract more abundance into your life. Utilize affirmations and mantras. Deep-seated beliefs often hinder us from manifesting the financial abundance we desire. Alongside other methods mentioned, affirmations and mantras serve as powerful tools to overcome these obstacles. By repeating wealth affirmations daily, you can implant new belief systems into your subconscious mind. It's important to note that affirmations require consistency and patience. They are not instantaneous solutions. Commit to using them daily for at least 30 days. You can listen to a money affirmations audio daily, or create your own affirmation, such as, "I am receiving $100,000 now, and it feels incredibly fulfilling." Compose a letter to the universe, requesting financial abundance. An effective approach to manifesting money is by writing a letter to the universe outlining your desires. You can start by expressing something similar to, "Dear universe, I would like to receive $1,500 so that my partner and I can pay for a weekend away at the beach, so that we can relax and reconnect. I ask that this be done for the highest good of all involved. I am open and ready to receive this or something better. Thank you." Now that you've learned how to request money from the universe, it's time to implement these methods. State your request. Have faith that the money is on its way, and focus on relaxing and letting go as you open yourself to receiving. If this message resonated with you, I warmly invite you to support us by liking and subscribing to our channel. Share this video with others to spread its valuable message, and feel free to leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts, reflections, and experiences. Thank you for watching and joining us. Take care until we meet again.